Welcome. And for anyone that has Hashimoto's, any type of autoimmune disorders, this is particularly for you, but it's for everybody because we want to open our hips. Opening our hips prevents back pain. That's it. That's how it works. Also, make sure you get out in nature, take a walk, feel the earth. Go barefoot, please. So the first thing we want to do is just sit in simple sitting pose. Find your breath, take your shoulders up, back, and down. Okay, here we are, simple sitting pose. And then just start moving the low back, the hips, gently. Some of you might be really tight here. I know that I am currently. Go the other way. Let your breath follow your movement. Other way. This is just a micro movement, as you can see. Okay, now you're going to bring your legs out from underneath you and just sit in cross-legged or butterfly pose. You're going to do the same exact thing. Pull your sits bones out, up nice and tall, one direction. Other side. And we're basically doing cat-cow, but seated. Legs apart, perineum to the floor. Pull sits bones out. And then just bring your chest forward as much as you can. If your shoulders start to cave like this, you've gone too far. So bring the chest forward with your breath. Yes. Makes the back feel so good. Release with the breath. Only go as far as you can again with the shoulders back and down. Don't use knee necessarily as your guide. Crown of the head reaching up. And lotus. One more stretch for you. We're gonna go back on our backs and take our hips from side to side. Looks like this. Sometimes the tiniest movements can make the biggest difference. Hug your hips, hug your knees into you, hug your knees into you. And bring your chin up. Take your legs to one side with the arm out. Head in the opposite direction, and again, let your breath lead you. Three breaths. That was one. Back to center. Other side. You do not have to press this down. Take your opposite arm out. Look at the opposite direction. Chin parallel to the shoulder. Always adjusting. You know what's safe for you. And hug again. Try it. Flex and point. Again, this is for anybody. Anybody. Since I'm having a roaring time with Hashimoto's right now, things are still a little tight. But I assure you it will get better. I assure you it will. Shoulders back and down. Let me know. Namaste.